Well, good morning from the famous Tiger Wat here in Krabi, Thailand. This temple and Wat is situated at the base of a very high mountain with a complex cave system. And inside it, I am told, there are actual tiger prints that have been left there from hundreds or thousands of years ago. So let's go check out the cave system, and then let's go check out the Wat at the very top of that mountain. It is 1,237 steps up to that Wat. This is the Tiger Cave history. This is the Wat, or Monastery Thum Sua. Apparently, tigers used to live in this cave, come out in the morning and let out a roar, and people in the forest and in the entire surrounding area used to hear the tiger roar. So they turned it into a shrine. Well, it is said that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, the journey of 1,237 steps begins right here. Just as I'm getting to the top, the stairs are double the height. This is like box jumps on steroids. Stair climb master elite. Wow. 984. I am drenched with sweat. This is not for the faint of heart. The stairs are irregular. Most are a little taller than normal, so you have to be careful. So I have to be careful and deliberate about my steps. And the higher I go and the more fatigued I get, the harder it is to be intentional. Well, it is 1,260 steps. The book was off. Well, I made it up and I made it down. And I have to say the view is pretty spectacular. But if you're planning on doing this hike, come prepared. Work out a little bit. Do a little cardio. And bring some good walking shoes. Would you take a look at these rock formations? Aren't they crazy looking? This is the KHAO NGON viewpoint, 3.7 kilometers. Well, KHAO viewpoint. KHAO viewpoint. 800 more meters. Ooh, it's been a beast. Everyone's telling me it's worth it, but we will see. Well, after a difficult uphill climb for about 45 minutes, we have stairs to conquer. So here we go. I got some practice a few days ago on the Tiger Watt. Just like that, I finished the hike. 3.7 up, 3.7 down, 7.4 kilometers round trip, and I'm soaked from head to toe. Hello, my friend. 1 banana, 2 waters, please. 50 baht. Thank you. Wow, this is refreshing. All natural.
pineapple?
Yep.
Sorry? Your hand. Yeah, the meat is coming, meat.
Well, there are some places my motorcycle just can't take me, and this is one of them. This is the narrow inlet between Tup Island and Chicken Island. And right now, it's about knee deep. It's low tide, and I'm able to safely cross. But during high tide, it's impossible to cross. So, I'm going to take a little hike across this narrow inlet to a restaurant, and maybe they have coffee. It's a thought. But I have to return before high tide because the ocean currents get quite strong and it's very dangerous once high tide moves in. So I think I've got a few minutes to get a cup of coffee. Isn't this just gorgeous? Good morning from Krabi. I'm at the Aonang beach area and I just arrived at Capuchin, right there. This is the best coffee shop in the entire region. They serve a mean cappuccino and a great Americano, and I'm getting a double with hot milk. So let's go in and get some coffee. All right, today, this is the plan. I am going to a shellfish cemetery. Apparently, there's only 3 or 4 like it in the entire world. And the shellfish cemetery here, they say, is 20 to 40 million years old. So let's go check that out in a few minutes. Well, today is my final day in Thailand, and tomorrow I head off to Vietnam. But before I go, I want you to check out something that will blow your mind. Here's the sign. The gastropod. Gastropod. Fossil shellfish graveyard. So are you ready? Let's go. And here is just one more look at another section of this amazing beach and geological wonder at Susan Hoi Beach. The shellfish and snail fossilized cemetery. It stretches 200 meters to my south here and has dozens and dozens and dozens of what looks like slabs of concrete. But these are not slabs of concrete. They are fossilized shellfish encased in limestone. Let's take a quick look. It's pretty amazing. Scientists believe two things: that this place is at least 20 million years old, and at one point was a freshwater lagoon.